Listen up. We're about to open court. I need everyone to get into their camera. Please get into your camera. I want to see your whole face. Teresa Reed, Mr. Durr, get into the camera, please. Just do that for me. Just today. Okay. And okay, Jaleisha Reed, Robertson, turn on your video. Okay, everyone, please just remain into the camera so we can just do this and get it out the way and over with. Okay, Judge, are you ready?
I think I made a mistake and the lawyer was still talking to me.
No, you're fine.
That's okay.
Okay.
Just remain quiet. I'm about to open court. Judge, you want me to open court?
Yes.
36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, talking, speaking, eating, driving, or smoking. When your name is called, unmute your device and give your full attention to the court. Once again, I'm going to tell everyone, if I see you walking around, get out of the camera, I'm going to remove you. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. Everyone, when I call your name, please let the lawyer say their name before yours. This is the People versus Teresa Reed, ticket number SP 1438562, count 1, accident wrong way, one-way street, count 2, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Ticket number SP 1438588, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license, count 2, no insurance. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Officer Del Bosque.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. It's Officer Del Bosque, Detroit Police, badge 4916.
Mr. Soroki, this is Ms. Vining's case, but I believe, oh, go ahead, Ms. Vining, say your name, please. This is Teresa.
The record, Your Honor, Melissa Vinek, appearing on behalf of, are we doing Teresa Reed?
Yes.
P53750, appearing on behalf of Teresa Reed. Ms. Reed, will you please state your name for the record?
Teresa Reed.
Thank you. Your Honor, today is
Different trial, and the offer, it looks like it's leading to the no receipt of or unsigned registration and speeding 1 to 5. Does she wish to avail herself of that offer?
yes, Your Honor, my client does wish to avail herself of the offer. She understands her trial rights, and at this time, she does wish to avail herself.
You stipulate to the face of the ticket?
So stipulate, Your Honor, yes.
You stipulate to probable cause?
So stipulate to probable cause.
The court is going to dismiss counts 1 and 2 on ticket number ending in 588, and will amend the accident wrong way, one-way street to speeding 1 to 5, and will proceed to sentencing. There is going to be a fine of the speeding 1 to 5 is $125, and then the unsigned registration is $105, so it's going to be a total of $230. Because this is a civil infraction, you have 14 days to pay this fine. Can you have it paid by June 9th?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you have any questions, ma'am?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you are all set. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, officer. Give me one moment, please.
Ms. Reed, you can leave. You can go back to work.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do we have any other officers that were out?
I don't believe. Walker, LaShawn Dixon.
All right, this is the People versus Christopher Robinson, ticket number SP 1146577, count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Alan Soroki, I'm sorry. Alan Soroki, P37441, appear on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Christopher Robertson.
Yes, your Honor. Defendant wishes to accept the offer of prosecution and plead as charged to open alcohol passenger.
Raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial,
Yes.
and knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Let it direct your attention to December 22nd, 2020 at 9:05 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Schoolcraft and Southfield Freeway in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2010 Mercury vehicle?
No.
He wasn't driving, Your Honor, this open alcohol passenger.
Oh, passenger, were you in a 2010 Mercury vehicle?
Yes.
And did you have open alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Mrs. Roki?
Yes, Your Honor.
We're also satisfied factual basis to accept the admission. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine, sir. Can you have that fine paid by June 27th?
Yes.
Question?
No.
You're all set, sir. Good luck. Versus Mia Dixon, ticket number SP 1396956, count 1, driver license suspended, repeat offender, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, count 3, driving register or entitled vehicle, ticket number SP 1389831, count 1, driver license suspended, count 2, driving register or entitled vehicle, count 3, no insurance misdemeanor, and ticket number SP 1338176, count 2, driver license suspended. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Melissa Vinek, P53750, appearing on behalf of Mia Dixon. Ms. Dixon, will you please state your name for the record?
Mia Dixon.
Thank you. Your Honor, today is set for an arraignment on a bench warrant. We're asking for the bench warrant to please be set aside as my client has appeared.
Who said that?
Sorry?
This court will set aside the bench warrant.
Thank you, Your Honor. I've had the opportunity to discuss this matter with the city attorney as well as with my client. There is a resolution. The resolution is that my client will be tendering a plea of guilty to the ticket ending in 9563. It'll be amended to improper plates. So the original charge, unregistered, untitled, will be amended to improper plates, and the rest of the tickets will be dismissed. The client understands her trial rights, and at this time, Your Honor, she does wish to avail herself of this offer.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Dixon.
Can you repeat that?
Raise your right hand. Your other hand.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to an attorney in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will. I didn't hear, are you pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
Pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
Understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of October 13, 2022 at 5:10 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Trumbull and Grand River in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2017 Jeep vehicle?
Yes.
And was that vehicle unregistered or untitled?
Yes.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Right. The court will amend that count to improper plates. You stipulate your probable cause. That's the remaining tickets.
So stipulate, Your Honor.
Remaining tickets are dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine. Can you have that fine paid by June 26th?
Yes. Well, I had a I had some other tickets and I was on a payment plan for it. You think I could pay like $100 towards that and then pay the other $100?
If you need to get on the payment plan, you need to put at least 25% down by the date that it's due. So I can either give you an additional month to pay it, or you can try to do the payment plan. So what would you like?
Or could I can pay it all by like July 1st?
I'll give you to July 28th.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're all set. Good luck to you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Your Honor, we have an officer on Diamond Richardson, Officer Bennett.
Okay, hold on. Diamond Richardson is out.
Yes, Diamond Richardson is out, and we have Officer Bennett in room 2.
Okay, where's Diamond Richardson?
Wait. I'm here.
Okay, let me get Officer Bennett.
No. I know Corporal Bennett has checked in.
He checked in. I tried
I
to
see
bring
him.
him out.
I see him. He's in the waiting room. Let me break out. Well, I'll see if he comes out. All right, this is the People versus Diamond Richardson. Ticket number SP 1438952, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, count 2, expired plates. Ticket number SP 1450413, count 1 is expired plates, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and count 3, driver license suspended. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
For the record, Your Honor, good morning. Melissa Vinek, P 53750, appearing on behalf of Diamond Richardson. Ms. Richardson, will you please state your name for the record?
Diamond Richardson.
Thank you.
Bennett, can you state your name, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Corporal Daryl Bennett, badge 4320, Detroit Police Department.
Thank you.
Thank you. Your Honor, today is a date set for bench trial in this matter. The officer has appeared. However, there is an offer, and the offer is that my client will be tendering a plea of guilty to the expired plates, or that's actually, I believe, responsible to the expired plates. That's in the ticket ending in 9522. The ticket ending in 9521 will be dismissed. And then she has the matter scheduled in June, and those matters, that it's a no insurance, misdemeanor, expired plates, and suspended license will be dismissed. In exchange, my client will be tendering a plea of guilty to failure to display. My client does understand her rights to go forward with the trial as today is scheduled for a bench trial. However, at this time, she does wish to avail herself of the offer, and she is ready to proceed.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hands down. You understand you had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of April 17, 2023 at 11:41 a.m. On the date and time, were you at near Finkel and Ardmore in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2011 Ford vehicle?
Yes.
Were you driving while your license was suspended?
Yes.
You're satisfied with finding?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied with factual basis will amend the count to fail to display. Ms. Vinek, you stipulate to the face of the ticket of probable cause.
So stipulate, Your Honor.
The court will dismiss the remaining tickets and will accept the plea of responsible to the ticket ending in 952, which is count 2 expired plates, and will proceed to sentencing. There is a fine of $145 for the expired plates And then for the fail to display, that fine is $200. So you have a total of $345. Usually with civil infractions, you have 14 days to pay them, but because you have a misdemeanor and it's kind of a substantial amount, I'll give you till, you have it paid by June 27th.
Yes.
Did you have any questions?
No.
You are all set.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, this is the people versus, we'll do Elizabeth Dorsey. Ticket number SP 1420457, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. And then ticket number, I'm sorry, that was count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Count two is 21 to 25 miles per hour over posted speed. Good morning, please state your names for the record.
Elizabeth Dorsey.
You're muted, Mr. Soroki.
Ellen Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, ma'am?
Elizabeth Dorsey.
Your Honor, the second ticket wasn't on the docket for the speeding. Was it 1 to 5 over?
It's 21 to 25 miles.
21
per
to
hour.
25 over.
It was amended to limited access 1 to 5.
Okay, Miss Dorsey, you'd like to take that. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay.
Are you moving to
this-
set that ticket is in default, so are you moving to set aside the default?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, no objection. Tamika Horn on behalf of the city.
Thank you. And-
Then you stipulate to the face of the ticket and probable cause.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court will amend count 2 to limited access 1 to 5, and then we'll dismiss count 1 without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's a
Your Honor,
fine of $125. Because this is a civil infraction, you have 14 days to pay it. Can you have that fine paid by June 9th?
No, ma'am. When can I get on a payment plan? I'm not working right now.
So I can give you either to June 23rd, or would you rather do community service in lieu of the fine?
Okay, you say June the 23rd?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, June 23rd, I have to have, you said 25% of what I owe?
You have to apply for a payment plan. So if they accept you, you have to have at least 25% down. But I don't determine that. You have to come down to the first floor and you have to have 25% down, and you have to apply for the payment plan.
Okay, and I gotta do that by, okay, so I gotta come down there by June the 14th, you say? It's a lot of stack trying to hear.
June 23rd.
Okay, June 23rd, I need to come down there and see about me a payment plan?
I think that's what I said, yeah.
Okay, can you tell me how much the whole ticket is? Cause I'm having a hard time, it's a lot of static in the phone, I'm having a hard time hearing it.
$125.
Okay. Okay,
All right, you're all set.
thank you.
One moment. Hello.
Danny Robinson, you need to mute your phone, sir.
And take off your hat, and you need to be still. You're in court.
This is People versus Calvin Robinson, ticket number SP 1437987. Count 1, 16 to 20 miles per hour over posted speed. Count 2, no valid registration certificate. Ticket number SP 1438003. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license on a person. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
For the record, Your Honor, good morning. Melissa Vinek, P53750, appearing on behalf of Calvin Robinson. Mr. Robinson, will you please state your name for the record?
You're muted, sir. Unmute yourself.
It's Benny Robinson. BNNY.
We're not speaking to you, Mr. Benny Robinson. We're talking to Calvin Robinson.
Calvin Robinson.
Thank you. Your Honor, today is the date set for show cause. We're asking for the show cause to please be set aside.
Okay, court will set aside the show cause.
Thank you, Your Honor. I've discussed this matter with my client. My client is requesting a bench trial, does waive jury.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Robinson.
Excuse me.
Raise your
right.
right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
The court's going to continue your not guilty plea. Set this matter for a bench trial on June 8th
June
at 9
8th.
o'clock.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Your Honor, is that on Zoom or is that in person?
It's on Zoom.
On Zoom, thank you.
So you're all set, sir.
Thank you.
This is the people versus Courtney Ritchie. Ticket number SP 1437512. Count 1, violation of basic speed law, drove unsafe manner. Count 2, failed to display a valid operator's license, not in person. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
For the record, Your Honor, good morning. Melissa Vinek, P53750, appearing on behalf of Courtney Ritchie. Ms. Ritchie, will you please state your name for the record?
Yes, good morning. Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Courtney Ritchie.
Thank you. Your Honor, today's matter is set for a trial. I do not see Officer Gonzalez. As such, I am asking for dismissal. We are ready to proceed.
I was set for trial at 9, 10, 11. Officer has appeared. This matter is dismissed without prejudice.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Melissa, Attorney Melissa. Thank you.
Thank you.
And thank you, court clerk. Thank you for earlier helping me.
Okay,
Thank
you're welcome.
you. Have a good day. A good, safe holiday, everyone. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you. This is people versus Jacqueline Davis. Ticket number SP 1439860. Count 1, drove while unlicensed. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, supply false information and/or ID to police officer. Good morning. Please say your names for the record.
Jacqueline Davis.
Alan Soroki appearing on behalf of Miss Jacqueline Davis, Your Honor. As to Miss Davis, she wishes to submit this matter to a bench trial.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Davis. Other hand, ma'am. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
So the court is going to continue your not guilty plea and set this matter for a bench trial on June 8th at 9 o'clock.
Your Honor, also I'd ask the court to set aside any warrants in this matter as it is a show cause.
Court will set aside any warrants in this matter.
Mr. Robinson, you have to take off your hat and you can't, you just walking around. Take off your hat.
Did you get the date, Ms. Davis?
Yes.
Okay, so you're all set, ma'am. Good luck.
Thank you.
This is the people versus Gregory Richardson, ticket number SP 1434107, count 1, no proof of insurance, and ticket number SP 1434073, count 1, drive and register or entitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441. I'm here on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Gregory Richardson.
Your Honor, a defendant has provided me valid documentation and is also the offer of the prosecution to dismiss these matters.
Stipulate the probable cause.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. These matters are dismissed without prejudice as Mr. Richardson has provided valid documentation. You are all set, Mr. Richardson. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. This is the people versus Benny Robinson, ticket number SP 1438907, count 1, failed to properly secure passenger/child. Count 2, failed to properly secure passenger/child. Ticket number SP 1438861, count 1, driver license suspended. Count 2, expired plate. Count 3, failed to properly failed to properly secure passenger/child. And then there's also a state ticket, ticket number SP 1005126. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, improper plate. Count 3, driver license suspended, repeat offender. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
For the record,
Good
Your
morning,
Honor.
Sorry, go ahead.
For the record, Your Honor, Melissa Vinek, P 53750, appearing on behalf of Benny Robinson. Mr. Robinson, please state your name for the record.
Benny John Robinson.
Thank you. Your Honor, these matters are set for a bench trial this morning. The officer has not appeared. We are asking for a dismissal. We are ready to proceed.
I don't know why all these tickets are not listed as far as the ones dated from March 2nd, but the court dismissed all of those. Let me just look up this state ticket just to see what's going on with that and how you would wish to proceed on that. It looks like it's already been adjudicated, so. All right, so the court will dismiss all of these matters without prejudice as the officer has failed to appear. You are all set, Mr. Robinson. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
All right, appreciate it.
Give me 1 moment, please.
You can leave, Mr. Robinson.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Apologize for everything. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, this is the people versus Alicia Robertson. Ticket number 23748-108, count 1, disregard red signal or amber. Ticket number 23748-109, count 1, who operates license 1 person. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, is there also a ticket in there for running for failure to stop at a red light or stop sign? That's in default.
I called that one.
Okay, I'm sorry, I couldn't hear it loud enough. Okay, yes, Your Honor, thank you. The defendant wishes to set both these matters for trial. We ask that any warrants be set aside based upon the show cause. Prosecution is stipulated, set aside the default on the running the red light ticket.
Court will set aside the default judgment on the civil infraction.
She's requesting a bench trial in this matter also, Your Honor.
Wait, this is gonna be set aside for her to go to trial?
Oh, that was not the agreement.
Yeah, no, you're fine.
What was the offer on it? I'm sorry.
Blockading.
Blockading. Okay, thank you. Miss Roberts, the offer is blockading, which is basically you're just parked in the street, which is a no point ticket. It doesn't go on your record versus a 2-point ticket. So we would, you want to take that offer, or do you still want to go to trial on it?
And Tamika Horn, on behalf of the city of Detroit, the people are not going to set it aside if we're going to move forward with litigation.
Ms. Robertson, did you say your name for the record?
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, I don't know if you guys were mixing us up or what ticket are we referring to? I'm sorry.
You have two tickets. They're from the same date, but there were two tickets. One is for disregarding the red signal. The other is for not having your license on your person. One of the tickets is already in default judgment. So that means that you already have the points. It's already, we're done with that ticket. But the prosecutor has offered to set aside that default judgment if you plead responsible to blockading and dismissing the no license ticket. That's the offer.
It's a very good offer, ma'am. Yeah.
Oh, okay. That sounds good.
Do you stipulate to the face of the ticket and probable cause, Mr. Soroki?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will amend the civil infraction blockading, will dismiss the no operator's license on person ticket without prejudice, will proceed to sentencing. There's a fine of $175. Because this is a civil infraction, you have 14 days to pay this fine, and you have it paid by June 9th.
I believe so. No, actually, I would need an extra time.
To June 23rd. If you don't pay it by June 23rd, this ticket will not close out and you'll incur late fees. So we need to make sure you have it paid.
Can I ask a question about the points that were included with the default? Will those be removed or?
They're removed.
So because you paid, go ahead, Mrs. Soroki.
They're removed. Those points are already removed. They'll be removed from your record. The court hasn't entered the order, but that ticket is being set aside.
Okay. Also, I would like to add that I received someone else's default or civil infraction. I don't know if the court should know that someone else's notice came to my home address.
No.
Do I need to hold it up again for you? I can't hear you.
What was your question?
Oh, I just wanted the court to know that someone else's judgment, I guess, came to my address. I don't know if they should know or whatever.
Ma'am, you call downstairs to traffic and let them know that they sent you the wrong person's information. They can avoid that person from getting in trouble. And the number is 965-6648. So 9.
It might be just a wrong, it's probably just a wrong address for that person.
It was still attached, like it hadn't been, the perforated edge hadn't been torn.
But you're right for saying something. That way that person won't be arrested or something.
What was the number again?
965-6648 or 965-5590.
One more time.
965-6648 or 965-5590.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, you are done.
You're all set, Ms. Robertson. Good luck.
Thank you.
This is the People versus Charisma. Roberts Terrell, ticket number SP 1424353. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, driving wrong way on a one-way street. Good morning. Say your name.
Charisma Roberts.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor. Today's the day and time set for trial and formal hearing. The police officer has not appeared. We move to dismiss both matters.
All right, this is separate matter, separate trial at 9 and 10:23. No officers have appeared. Both matters are dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Mr. Roberts Terrell. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Officer Corporal Hampton, I don't think Mr. Rucker has appeared, so that's gonna be a KPN. Do we have Daquan Rucker?
Daquan Rucker, I don't believe appeared, but I'm checking. Rucker,
Rucker is present right here.
huh?
You're,
What did you?
oh, sorry. No, I'm
So
sorry.
it is some people in the waiting room. I guess we can check to see who these people are.
Right, because I was
So
going.
hold on, Corporal.